Dubai, UAE recognizes Bitcoin as a valid salary payment, and China is also likely to unban Bitcoin and cryptocurrency mining in the next 3 months. I want to talk about crypto, I want to talk about Bitcoin, and then the overall market. And at the end of the video, I'm going to give you your latest dose of hopium for AMC as well as GameStop, but in reality, the next potential catalyst for the two to start the week. Overall, I have watched some other finance YouTubers, educational channels, and I don't know, today, yesterday, the day before, they are all awful. I'm not saying this is going to be the best video. It's going to be very simple, just like every other video. But if you're watching a ton of videos on YouTube and not getting anything out of them, I'm sorry for you, because that's just how I felt. I watched several videos and I was like, wow, I got virtually nothing out of this, and this guy's just blabbering and rambling on. Anyway, like the video, subscribe to the channel, join the family, turn post notifications on. Let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing I want to touch on is Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been having trouble holding levels, as many of you know, now trading sub 60K, trading at 59,470. And there is a reason I'm bringing up Bitcoin. We're going to get into that in a minute. Couple different theories. Some people say Bitcoin is about to fall off a cliff right here and come all the way back down to an 800 billion market cap. And some people say that it's going to go to the moon. As of right now, it is having trouble holding levels, trading in this channel. If we broke and closed below this channel, anywhere under 52K over next week, and we close under that, it is bearish and it is likely to have that free fall back down to around 40K or $800 billion market cap. However, what you could see on the larger scale is one, a very large cup and handle, which means this channel that it's trading in is just a huge handle on Bitcoin. And this is also a bullish signal if you don't know, meaning Bitcoin would get a pop off of this cup and handle, and you would likely see a move right out of this to the upside, which would be right towards election time or right after election time, which would also be beautiful. As of right now, the market's looking like it's about to potentially have a catastrophic event between late August, September, October. November is going to fix everything with the election. This is a potential possibility, or we could continue to scale up with the overall market and crash after the election. And I got a little bit more to touch on and cover on that. First of all, 159 countries are ready to adopt the BRICS payment system, which would not be good for the US dollar. And a lot of people claim that this is nothing. However, you can see that more and more are piling into gold. Gold has just hit its highs that it's ever hit before, so all-time highs of above 2,500, now trading at 2506.84. This is major, and a lot of people are talking smack about Bitcoin, talking smack about the US dollar, and bringing up how solid gold actually is. However, the way I see it is these people purchasing gold, what's going to happen, right? I bought gold, I want my gold, we don't have your gold. That is essentially what is going to happen. So no thank you. I'd like to stick to a decentralized code that's on the blockchain that gives me personal value, which is Bitcoin. I also want to note that the people saying, hey, at least gold doesn't deteriorate a ton of its value, right? Gold is only up about 10,000% since the beginning of it. As you go look at Bitcoin, and Bitcoin's up 37,000% to its all-time high. Okay, so from the lows to the highs, 37,000% compared to 10,000%. Look at this as a percentage gain format. Now, moving into the overall market, CNBC says this market crash can't happen and that there are no signs of a recession. What do you guys think in the comments down below? First of all, I'm on the monthly time frame on the S&P 500. The SPY is price testing. You can see back here in July, it wicked all the way up here and tested an all-time high of 565. It also wicked below and tested a low of 540, and it had a little body candle inside of that. As of right now, you have a very long tail wick so far for October, and the SPY has not picked a direction. What had happened here is it tested where buyers would be, and buyers would be down here, anywhere under 528.25. Buyers were scooping this up. Okay, volume increased to up here. This tested where sellers would be. 565 is where sellers would be, and as of right now, you're in a very, very tight market that is essentially just tough to trade. We also talked about the past corrections breaking over the neckline, meaning we would be bullish. We saw that first level at 543, the next level at 555.20. We didn't get the close above 555.20, therefore I closed my call contracts on Friday because I did not want to hold them over the weekend, as well as some other Discord members. If we close above 555.20, I think the SPY is looking pretty good, but I wouldn't be surprised if we continue to see some sort of catastrophic event happen. And the only reason I say that is because if we are going to see it at any point since the past few years, over the next couple of years, I think it's going to happen now, just the way things are lining up. Now, August 26th, 2024 is an important date in the CAT system's implementation timeline. On this date, the CAT system is scheduled to enter full production mode for all complex order scenarios, including more advanced linkages and data reporting requirements. This milestone marks the completion of Phase 6, where the CAT system will be fully operational and capable of capturing and reporting the most complex types of trading activities and events in the U.S. equities and options markets. Firms will need to ensure that they are fully compliant with these enhanced reporting requirements by this date to avoid potential regulatory penalties. So the CAT system is not fully implemented, and you can see that right here. According to ChatGPT, on August 26th, this will have completion of Phase 6, and I know you have seen plenty of videos about Phase 6 on my channel, as well as AMC Bigum, so on and so forth, which is more good news for AMC and GameStop when we near that date. Another thing is DTCC just further revised their DDR rulebook, changes effective August 29th. So these dates are lining up pretty closely, and we have another date to bring up as well. DDR equals derivatives reporting services for the US and Canada, and they just added another revision to take place and become effective on August 29th. That is again August 29th. August 20th, Lola Rent released August 20, 1998. GameStop was founded in August 20, 1980. Extraterrestrial equals August 20th, and Gametria, which people have been decoding plenty of things on GameStop. Something that we forgot about for a little bit. Roaring Kitty started his return with this, and this year celebrates its 25th anniversary as well in the US. It was first released in Germany August 20th, which is next Tuesday as well. Overall, just some things to decode and potential hopium as we near August 20th on GameStop, which is this trading week. Also, for GameStop, Roaring Kitty removed the intro video to his YouTube channel. He has been consistently making changes. I'm not sure what he sees coming, but maybe, just maybe, the moas.com, the september4th.com was him, but maybe it wasn't, right? Overall, he is the one, I assume, running his YouTube channel, and now there are changes being made. So is he going to come back out? Is he about to drop a bombshell? Well, in my opinion, this saga is far from over as long as you see him doing anything. I don't care if it's blinking his eyeballs on TikTok. If this guy is around and he's in the air, I don't think this saga is anywhere close to being over. And GameStop is also in this green cycle. Overall, I'm excited to start a brand new trading week, giving these things room to run, watching the market, pre-market for things that are happening over the weekend, watching AMC and GameStop as well. Overall, this is what I got for you guys for today's video. Last thing to touch on, earnings for the week. Here they are in case you guys want to screenshot this. We have Zoom after the close on Wednesday, which is something I will be watching, as well as Kava after the close on Thursday. And there are some other decent ones in there, including some bank stocks as well. Also, Futu down here has their earnings Tuesday, which is Moomoo's stock ticker. If you guys want Moomoo, press the second link in the description of the video. Open an account through them, make a deposit into your account, and you will start earning up to 20 free stocks as well as 8.1% APY on your uninvested cash. So go do that. They're also giving you level 2 order book data for free, access to trading options, going long, going short, viewing other exchanges, and more. Again, use my link, open an account, and deposit into your account. The third link under the video, if you want to come talk with me, most amazing people, stocks and crypto all day long, is for Discord. You guys can see right here, stock talk, bar pot alerts, video links, gains, losses, video requests, my positions, crypto only, politics, and then a voice chat for stock talk. So we have a general stock talk, we have options trading alerts. I post my videos as soon as I drop them. I post my trades as soon as I enter them. Overall, best vibes, best Discord for the value you get out of it. It is only a coffee a month. That is the third link in the description of the video. And the very top link, of course, is for my custom indicator, the most powerful indicator you can get out there in my personal opinion. It is pattern detection and forecasting. I have a very unique indicator that you can add to your TradingView charts. To give you a little bit of an example, I always have it on standby when trading, and I just plug it in right here at the top, and it can forecast what may or may not happen on any given stock. So that's just something to note right there if you guys want that. Those are the top 3 links under the description of the video. Enjoy the rest of your weekend, guys. God bless. Love you all. Lottery sucks out. Oh yeah, and guys, I rode a mountain coaster. I just wanted to add that. I dropped it on members only, so go watch that. I think it's pretty interesting. It's a 3-minute video. That was sketchy, I'm not gonna lie.